2013 Chrysler 300 5.7 liter HEMI. What we got done on this beast. Factory converters there and there. Factory X-pipe. Then we did a MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK, part number 10415. Be a link in the description for it, there and there. And then we did a rear delete, there and there. And put some 4.5 inch or 5 inch tips out the back. Really sexy tips, as you guys can see right there. Black chrome, got some sexy emblems on the side. And they come on each side of these. Look at that. I'll see if I can get you guys a link in the description for them. There's the mids that were on it. There's the rears. And these Chryslers come with a bolt-on tip that we unbolted right there and right there. All right, so we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. That's perfect. It's clean. Nothing obnoxious, nothing. It's just clean. And that, see that? Once it warms up, it goes right away. See how it's going away more and more? Your sound decibels? Again? Right at 101. Perfect. Come on back.
I didn't really care for that matte finish. I feel like the gloss just really
it looks a lot. It completes the look of the car. It's so deep. I like it. That's perfect. Sounds like a lion roaring.
It really did.
Yeah? That's awesome. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chrysler 300 with MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACKS and a HEMI and 5 inch tips. Perfect. Enjoy, guys.